Welcome alumni, friends, family, campus community to the Wilmington College Holiday Baking Special. Today we're going to be baking two different cookies with my friends Michaela and Quaker Man. I will be preparing my favorite holiday cookie, the Ginger Man, like the Quaker Man, and Michaela will be preparing Quaker Man oatmeal cookies. So roll up your sleeves and let's get started. Hopefully you've received your recipes via email or in the mail. We will put these recipes on the screen, or you can contact the alumni office for more information. We have already, as you can see, measured out our ingredients, which is good because I'm not one to measure things. I just kind of do a dash here and a dash there. What about you, Quaker Man? Do you measure things? No, see, we're one and the same. What about you? Yes, okay. So we've got it all measured out, so we will have perfect recipe cookies. For the Ginger Man cookies, we're going to start with the dry ingredients first. So we will have Michaela have you put those in a bowl like you're doing. We've already mixed up the spices in advance, so that saves us a bit of time. And you can see Michaela's going to mix up those dry ingredients. And I'm going to take the butter and brown sugar and start to cream those. Need a stick and a half of butter for this particular recipe. And we're gonna take it back here and cream it. We are going to place our dough in between parchment paper so that we can roll it to about 1 inch thick. So I'm gonna put the dough in between the paper. Oh, thanks, Michaela. We'll do about half. Okay, and then we're gonna grab the other paper. Set. Then we're gonna roll it again. And the benefit of putting it in between two pieces of parchment paper is it's not sticking to the rolling pin. So you save a little bit of time. I'll hold it for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, now that we've rolled it to about 1 inch, we're going to take it and place it in the refrigerator. Ooh, okay. As you can see, we already have some dough chilled and rolled to about 1/2 inch thick. So there we go. We're gonna start cutting those cookies, but first, we need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. So follow me. Big 350. Okay. While that's preheating, these guys approve. While that's preheating, we're gonna cut the cookies. This is my favorite part, this and decorating. All right, Kayla, do you wanna help me cut the cookies?
I'd love to.
Okay. So we have our dough here all ready to go. We are going to cut them into Quaker Man shapes, and then we're gonna place them on this parchment-lined baking tray. So once we have a tray full, we'll pop them in the oven. Perfect. Okay. So Michaela, what's your favorite holiday cookie?
Classic chocolate chip. It's gotta be classic. Specifically the ones that my sister makes.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm. She makes a great chocolate chip cookie.
Is she home? Is she in this area?
She's 14.
Oh, your sister, your little sister.
My little sister, my little tiny sister.
All right, our cookies look great. They look like Quaker Men, legitimate. We're gonna put these in the oven and bake them at 350 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. I think they're ready. Michaela, Quaker Man, they're ready. All right, let's see. They look fabulous. What do we think? Okay, so the first batch of cookies are done. We're gonna move them from the pan to a cooling rack. These look great. You did a good job cutting.
Thank you.
And thanks for being our model, Quaker Man. Okay. My favorite thing about these, as you notice from the recipe, is they are gluten-free. So if you have to get gluten-free flour, there are some really great flours out there, but my favorite is this Bob's Red Mill. So that's what we use today. It's a great all-purpose flour for people who have celiac disease. Okay, but you don't have celiac disease, do you? No, okay. So it looks like our cookies are ready to decorate. Are you excited? Are you excited? All right, well, thank you so much. It's been my pleasure to serve as interim president this year, and what a great opportunity to close the year off with baking cookies with my friends. So thank you so much, friends who are watching and friends who are baking with me. We appreciate you.
Quaker Man, are you ready for your cookies?
Okay. All right, first let's preheat the oven.
All right, before we get started, we're gonna preheat the oven at 375. Corey, if you could do that for me, please.
Absolutely. All set.
Perfect, thank you. In a large bowl, we're gonna beat the butter and the sugars until creamy.
So I hear you're a criminal justice major, is that right?
I am, and I'm a psychology and theater minor.
Oh my goodness.
2 minors.
2 minors and a major. Mm-hmm. That's fantastic. And you have time to bake with Quaker Man.
My favorite pastime.
Are you a baker at home?
I'm not, but my little sister is.
Oh, that's great.
She is amazing.
Does she bake for you?
Not all the time, only on special occasions like my birthday.
So while Michaela is beating the butter and sugar, I have the egg and vanilla, and I'm going to add it to the mix.
All right, in a separate bowl, combine the flour, baking soda, cinnamon, salt, and nutmeg. Corey, if you'll do that for me, please.
Got it.
All right, and once she's done with that, we're gonna combine the dry ingredients to the creamed mixture.
Okay. Do you want me to handle the dry?
Yeah, then
All right.
I can take this, yep.
That looks really good. Okay.
All right, now we're gonna add the oats and we're gonna mix them all together. Corey, if you could do that for me.
Very good. Adding the oats. Okay. So what's your favorite thing to do on campus?
Hang out with my friends.
Yeah?
For sure.
All right, good. In the dorms or?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm a commuter, but some of my friends live in the dorms.
Nice.
So, like to visit over there sometimes.
Did you get into the hammock park before it got cold?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
yeah,
good.
that was a lot of fun. All right, using a spoon or an ice cream scoop, scoop 8 to 9 little balls onto the cooking tray.
That works really well.
So you can give me an ice cream scoop. I know how to work it.
I think
give
we
me
have
give me a cookie cutter. No idea.
No idea. I think we have ice cream in the freezer.
Quaker Man, can you place this in the oven?
Ready? And for how long, Michaela?
8 to 9 minutes.
Make sure you have your oven mitts on, Quaker Man. There's one. And there's the other. Now you're all set. Let me open it for you.
Smells like they're done.
Oh, they look so good.
Now carefully transfer these cookies to a cooling rack.
And there you have it. Perfectly baked cookies. cookies that are festive for the holidays. We're certainly going to enjoy these with a glass of milk or with your favorite friends like Quaker Man and Michaela. Thanks for watching. Hi, and welcome to the Quaker Baking Show. What are we calling it?
Mystery part. Oh no! That's a perfect one. We've got a perfect one.
A 5-minute break.
Wait, this is cookie baking
Yeah, that'd be great.
with Quaker Man. This is
Do we
ice
have-
cream. Do you have ice cream in there?
I do. This is soft.
Everybody look.
Now this is soft serve. So that
my
just came
goodness.
out.
Ice cream.
Yeah.
We can have cookies and ice cream. Okay.
Not sponsored, by the way.
Are those your favorite oats, Quaker Man? Yeah, no surprise. Hi, and welcome to the Holiday Baking Special. Today with me I have Quaker Man, who doesn't talk, but he comes to us from Quakerville. I'm not sure where he lives. Quaker Man. Bloopers. Once again, thank you for joining us while we baked this evening. We wish you no, we don't wish you warm wishes. We offer warm wishes. Once again, thank you again for spending your evening with us baking. We wish you what am I saying?